Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Gil here, your real estate advisor, Orange County. It's November and we're going to be talking about three things. We're going to be talking about some real estate news out there, specifically Zillow. Zillow offers program, which is an iBuying program that's winding down and going to be shut down. We're also going to be talking about interest rates. Where are interest rates headed and where they expected to be for 2022, as well as home prices, home appreciation. I know some of us out there think, buyers out there are thinking, hey, I'm going to sit on the sidelines. Things are bound to change, but here we're going to talk about what you can expect for 2022. Okay, so let's get into this. All right, so let's get into Zillow. I know some of us had talked out there. Some of you were in escrow with Zillow. Others were thinking about selling to Zillow. And why not? I mean, it was something that was easy. We'd go off their estimates, which seems reasonable, right? Because that's what Zillow does. But Mike Del Prete out there, he puts it really good. And I'll go ahead and I'll get this post on our website, coastocproperties.com, so you can check this out. So their iBuying business grew so fast, so quickly, that it literally broke the company, forcing an abrupt shutdown. And the reason why, they purchased more homes in 3 months, in a 3-month period, than they had the previous 18 months. And over the last 3.5 years, they had racked up over $1 billion in losses. Frankly, because it was too popular and some of their holding periods were just longer than expected. I mean, what Zillow was doing was they're going into owners, they were paying an inflated price already, an overpriced value for the home that they were buying. Then they were turning around, marking it up and trying to sell that on the market, which wasn't very successful. So Zillow's group founder and CEO, Rich Barton, so quote, "We've determined that the unpredictability in forecasting home prices far exceeds what we anticipated, and in continuing to scale Zillow offers would result in too much earnings and balance sheet volatility." So frankly, I think what that means is that they were overpaying for homes and they couldn't sell them for more than they purchased them for in a quick amount of time. So here are some funny things that were up on Twitter, just people making comments off. How can Zillow in good faith advertise a home estimate, Zestimate, when they just told investors that it isn't accurate and doesn't work? And that was by Bahama Ben. Then we got Austin Mudd. When an owner points to his or her Zillow estimate justifying why their home is worth more, print this out, frame it, and shove it in front of their face. That was an interesting one. Here we go here, Dean Pretorius. He says, some of us have put way too much faith in that Zestimate, and I think that's, I think that might be a little bit accurate. But if you want to go ahead, if you want to check out the full article, go ahead and click down below. You'll go ahead and you'll find the full article on our website, coastocproperties.com. All right, secondly, let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's get moved to what can we expect for mortgage rates come 2022. Well, I think here's one of the things we all can expect. Another strong year in housing for 2022. That's one of the things we can expect. Right now, in regards to mortgage rates, so check this out. We can expect them to average about 3.3% in 2022, which is slightly higher than 2020 and 2021. But by historical standards, these still remain significantly low. So keep that in mind out there. I know we're seeing interest rates rise. That doesn't necessarily mean that home prices are going to come falling down. But that being said, it is going to put some buyers on the sidelines, which can create opportunity for you other buyers out there in the market. And lastly, what can we expect in terms of appreciation in home prices? Well, we're still going to see appreciation. As you can see here, we're still going to see it. You can expect homes to continue to appreciate roughly on average about 5.1%. That's based on the forecast from Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the Mortgage Bankers Association, Ivy Zelman, and NAR. So roughly about 5.1% on average. Some of them, Fannie Mae has home appreciation for 2022 at about 7.4%, where NAR is about 2.8%. But next year should still be strong appreciation. And really, we can go ahead and it's more of a deceleration. So we're not going to see the appreciation that we did in this year in 2021, but we should still expect appreciation for 2022, and then more normalized come 2023 through 2025. So again, these notes are going to be on our website. Feel free to go ahead, click the link below, download those, and so you can have them. Feel free to share them. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, it's Gil Gutierrez, your real estate advisor, Orange County. Other than that, you guys have a great November. Enjoy Thanksgiving with your family, and we'll talk soon. Bye.